Have you ever wondered if there's a way to maximize your workout time and achieve incredible results? Well, today I'm going to share a story that might just change the way you approach your fitness routine. In this video, I'll take you through my personal journey of discovering the benefits of high-intensity interval training, HIIT, and mastering the art of this powerful workout technique. So, if you're ready to unleash the power within, keep watching. It all started when I found myself struggling to find the time and motivation for lengthy workout sessions. I was searching for an effective and efficient way to get the most out of my workouts and achieve my fitness goals. That's when I asked myself a crucial question: what if there's a way to maximize the benefits of exercise in a shorter amount of time? With this question burning in my mind, I began to explore the world of high-intensity interval training, HIIT. I researched, consulted experts, and even sought guidance from experienced trainers until I discovered the remarkable benefits of this workout technique. And let me tell you, it wasn't just about saving time. It was about unlocking a whole new level of fitness and pushing my limits like never before. Let's start with the foundation: the benefits of HIIT. I quickly learned that HIIT is not only a time-efficient workout but also a highly effective way to burn calories and lose fat. The intense bursts of exercise combined with short recovery periods kickstart your metabolism, leading to increased calorie burning even after your workout is over. But it wasn't just about the calorie burn. I discovered that HIIT has incredible cardiovascular benefits. The intense intervals elevate your heart rate, improving cardiovascular endurance and boosting your overall fitness level. I could feel my stamina improving with each HIIT session, and everyday activities became easier and more enjoyable. Along my journey, I also realized that HIIT is a powerful tool for muscle building and toning. The explosive movements and resistance exercises in HIIT workouts engage multiple muscle groups, helping to build strength and increase lean muscle mass. I noticed my body becoming more defined and sculpted as I continued to challenge myself with each session. But the benefits of HIIT extended far beyond the physical realm. I discovered that this workout technique had a positive impact on my mental well-being. The intensity of the workouts released endorphins, boosting my mood and reducing stress. I felt a sense of accomplishment and empowerment as I pushed through challenging intervals and surpassed my own expectations. Now, let's talk about how to do HIIT correctly. I learned that the key to a successful HIIT workout lies in finding the right balance between intensity and recovery. It's about pushing yourself to your limits during the high-intensity intervals and allowing yourself enough time to recover and catch your breath during the rest periods. I discovered that there are endless possibilities when it comes to HIIT exercises. From bodyweight movements like burpees, squat jumps, and mountain climbers, to incorporating equipment like kettlebells or resistance bands, the choices are vast. The key is to choose exercises that challenge you and target different muscle groups. As I progressed on my HIIT journey, I also learned the importance of proper form and listening to my body. It's crucial to maintain proper technique during the exercises to prevent injuries and ensure optimal results. I made sure to warm up before each session, and I gradually increased the intensity and duration of my intervals as my fitness level improved. Along the way, I discovered that HIIT is not just about pushing yourself to the limit every time. It's also important to allow yourself sufficient rest and recovery between sessions. Giving your body time to repair and rejuvenate is essential for long-term progress and preventing burnout. And you know what? Through my dedication and commitment to HIIT, I experienced incredible transformations. I witnessed my body becoming leaner, stronger, and more resilient. I felt a sense of empowerment and confidence that extended beyond the gym. HIIT became more than just a workout, it became a lifestyle. So, if you're looking to maximize your workout time, achieve incredible results, and unleash the power within, I encourage you to ask yourself the same question I did: what if there's a way to maximize the benefits of exercise in a shorter amount of time? Remember, the key is to embrace the intensity, find the right balance, and listen to your body. I hope my story has inspired you to embark on your own HIIT journey and experience the incredible benefits this workout technique has to offer. If you found this video helpful, be sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more fitness tips, tricks, and personal stories. Remember,